Hi, fifth grade, Starkey Scorpions. I sure do miss you and I love you. And I want to talk to you today about what you're going to do for math. Yesterday, you started this lesson, types of triangles, and you were supposed to do the video, the vocab cards, and the vocabulary game. So today I would like for you to go finish this lesson. I'd like for you to do the read and respond, the quiz, and the lyric lab. And then for a treat, if you would like to share your lyric lab with the rest of fifth grade and me, I would love to see it, and I'm sure your friends would love to see you too. So I have created a Flipgrid assignment. This is an optional assignment. You do not have to do a video, but if you would like to share what you did for your lyric lab, then I will be sharing this on your feed. It will not be part of the assignment. This is optional, so don't worry if you don't want to do that. So just to review, we are going to do for Tuesday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, we are going to do read and respond, the quiz, and the lyric lab. All right, as always, if you have any questions at all, you can send an email to me. You can text me on the math feed for your classroom. Or if you are in desperate need and you need to get in touch with me, just let your homeroom teacher know and they will give you my phone number. All right, guys, I hope you have a great Tuesday and hang in there. We're almost there. Love you guys. Bye.